I love the way that these have turned out, but I was so hesitant when I first got these for a couple of reasons. One was that I was worried the clear background was going to be really noticeable, and two, because they seemed so short until I realized that they come in 8 pieces total. So decal number 1 has a bottom piece to match, which is labeled as number 5. Number 2 goes with number 6, number 3 goes with number 7, and number 4 goes with number 8. So having that bottom piece makes them taller. When I saw how they went together, the measurements made a lot more sense. Each end section of the 4 pieces is outlined around the flowers instead of a blunt, straight edge. So wherever you align these, they will have a really pretty look on each finished end. They are thin enough to easily maneuver or cut, but are thick enough that through adding and adjusting, none of them had any tearing. Lining up each section was fairly easy. They line up perfectly for a seamless look. Sometimes I had to pull the decal up or away from the wall and adjust it, but even through any adjusting, the decal still had plenty of stickiness to adhere to my orange peel textured walls. And even though we have textured walls, none of these decals have peeled off or had any issues adhering to the wall. They also have floating flower petals and butterflies that can be added to any area, giving this some customization. The clear background is hardly noticeable. The busyness of the print hides any slight overlap or gaps, and these are the perfect height. They are exactly what I was looking for. We love how this turned out. I still have some more space to add some more of these flowers, so I will update this video or I will add a picture when it's all done. We love these and we highly recommend them.